Hello everyone, myself Kirsan Bhatt and today I am going to migrate Linux LVM from one server to another without any data loss. So here for lab, I follow the four steps. So here step first, create two machine in VM. If you are using VirtualBox, so you have to make two machines in your VirtualBox. Here in my case I am using VMware Workstation, and second step, create LVM on one server, and third step, export that VG, and last step, import VG in another server. So here going to lab, so you can see here I already made two machine on my VMware Workstation. So this is my Delhi server and this is my Mumbai server, server 1 and server 2. So here I'm going to add one disk for my LVM. So here setting, here add, now hard disk, here next, and create a new virtual disk. So here size, I'm giving 5 GB size. Now here name for this disk. So here for migration. Now okay. So here done. So I am executing this command for scan. Here enter. Now by this command you can check. So you can see here one disk is added, and this disk I am using for my LVM. So here fdisk dev sdb. So now new, here primary partition 1, first sector enter and last sector enter. So I am giving 5 GB space to this partition. So here I am going to change type, here 80 code for Linux LVM. So you can also see here change type of partition Linux to Linux LVM. So here save and exit, here command part pro and your disk path. So here now you can see all things by this command fdisk -l dev sdb. So here you can see dev sdb1 and start with this and end with this block id block and id 80 and system Linux LVM. So here now I am going to create PV for my LVM. So now PV create and disk sdb1. Okay, so my physical volume all created successfully. So now I am going to create VG create and your VG name, my VG, here disk, so SDB1. So here volume group also created on my Delhi server. Here I am going to create LVM. So LV create, here new name, here LV0, now length. So here 100% free and your VG name. So here my VG. So now logical volume created. So MKFS ext4 extension 4, here dev my VG and LV0. So here you can see file system also done for my LVM. So here I am going to create one directory to mount my LVM. Here firstly mkdir and any name. So here I am going to give this name to directory vg migrate mg migrate. So here I am going to mount my LVM. So here mount dev my vg lv0 and this migrate. So here by this command you can see here one file system also created and mounted on root migrate. So here I'm going to my LVM, here migrate. So here I'm listing. So here you can see there is no file. So I am creating file on my VM on my LVM. So here 1 to 100, here txt. So now ls. So you can see here I made some files on my LVM. So here I am going to write something on my file vim here 1.txt. So here this this is data of Delhi server. So now here save and exit. So here you have done all thing on Delhi server, yours on your server one. Here first step I add one disk for my LVM and create one LVM on my Delhi server. Now I'm going to unmount my LVM. So unmount and your directory name, your path. So here wait, okay, control Z firstly. So now unmount this which you created. So here you can see you unmount your LVM from Delhi server, and here by this command you inactive your VG. So here this command VG change to active or inactive your VG. So an inactive and your VG name. So here VG name. Now VG export and your VG name, my VG. So volume group my VG successfully exported. So now I am going to power off my this machine. Now done. So I have completed all things on my Delhi server. Firstly I add one disk on my Delhi server, and my second step I create one PV, and after I created VG for my LVM. Then I created one LVM and make extension for my LVM mkfs.ext4 file system. So after that I unmounted my LVM and export my VG. So now I am going to on my second server, and my second server is Mumbai server. So here root. So firstly you have to add that disk on this machine also. So here setting, here add. So here choose this one, here browse, here for migration this one, and finish and OK. So you add that disk which you made in Delhi server. Here for scanning again copy this command and execute. Wait for a while. Now done. So here firstly I am going to execute this command pvs. So you can see here the hdb1 VG name my VGB, and you can see attribute here X. So X mean this is exported disk. So here exported VG or your exported disk, you can say anything. So here you can also see the size 5 GB. Now here now I'm going to import my VG. So here import my VG. So here you can see volume group my VG successfully imported. So now by this command you can see here my VG, and now you have to active your VG. So here a Y and your VG name. So here my VG. So you can see here one logical volume in volume group my VG now active. Okay. So now LVS command you can see here all thing is done. So now daf-h. So you can see here there is no file system because we don't mount now. So here I am going to create one directory. Here mkdir and your directory name migrated dex. Okay. So now done. So now I am mounting my LVM on my second server. So here mount path, your VG name and your LV and your directory this one. Now migrated dex. So here mounted successfully. Now first I am clear my screen. So here you can see df-h. So here you can see dex is added now. So here I am going to on that dex on my LVM. So here migrated dex. So here ls, and you can see here we migrate our LVM from this server to this one without any data loss. So here you can also remember we made a file on this. So here on this file here one.txt. So this is data of Delhi server. So we completed our lab here. So a step completed. Thank you.